Let's solve for x in this exponential equation. Y to the power of x plus 1 equals 27 to the power of 2x minus 1, right? So let's rewrite the equation. 27 to the power of 2x minus 1. So if you look at this, the bases are not equal. So the first step is to make the bases equal. We have base 9 on the left hand, base 27 on the right hand side. So let's take them to base 3. So this becomes 3 to the power of 2, meaning if you multiply 3 two times, that's 3 times 3, that gives 9. Now we have a power already of x plus 1 equal. Now let's also make this 27 base 3, that is 3 to the power of 3. Multiplying 3 times gives 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. I will put this in the brackets because we have a power here 2x minus 1. Now, the bases are not equal, right? So this becomes 3. Let's open up the powers. This is 2 times x, which is 2x, plus 2 times 1 is 2, equal, we have 3. 3 times 2x, 6x, minus 3 times 1 is 3. The bases are equal. Now we can equate the powers. We have 2x plus 2 equals 6x minus 3. Now we collect like terms. This becomes 6x plus 6x comes to the left hand, and that becomes a negative 6x equal negative 3 plus 2 moves to the right hand becomes a negative 2. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x equal minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. We're looking for the value of x, right? But we can see that the minus can cancel out on both sides. So we divide both sides by 4. The 4 cancels out on the left hand side. Both are in numerator and denominator. At the end, we are left with x equal 5 over 4. So x equal 5 over 4 satisfies this equation for the value of x. So see you in my next one.